Ah, this reminds me, like it seriously reminds me, it's a very bad place now because of Prometheus. Sure, these are Pete Davidson and Kanye West's friends, and they go to the same rate church, and sure, it's a Kim K2 that replaced Kim K1. We can't ever bring her back because she'll kill Kim K1 in a vile rage of control, but she knows how to. She broke out of it back then pretty good, and she was doing good. She had all this energy, but we're getting too old. We can't battle them. She's a beautiful Kim K2, but she's not worth it. She is not worth it. She would kill all men in an instant heartbeat. Control Mo from the future. She's a beautiful person, but she just don't know how to act it right. So this is Greece. So here we're gonna sit in Greece. Shang Xing Lan Shan Chan Cha. Red Hammer Shan Chan Chin Tan Tan Tan. Suck up a billion singing hells. Make hell's heaven so light. Make hell's heaven so bright. A billion million hells burn. So light so light. Suck up all hell machines. And that basically diminishes Greece. So is that a Prometheus we gotta check up? Invisible. 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 You stop being invisible first. I guess that was a false alarm. We're looking for Prometheus, sis. Okay. Hey, he gave me a wrong hell system. Lightsaber it. Suck up hell 769433764, the lightsaber, and keep the Shay. Now suck up this hell system. Now fix the Shay chip and go through all the hells of Greece. And this will stop a Prometheus. And we don't call Prometheus no footboy, even though he got raped by the Mexicans right there. The Jesus Mexicans, Jesus Christ. This is a nicer aquatic atmosphere than Jesus. It's just so hellfiery of Poseidon and the gods. It's just a beautiful place. We don't like Hermes the Soul Stealer. Prometheus is cool, but he will kill the fuck out of us. We like Poseidon. We like Nike. We like all them gods in Greece. We like a few gods in Greece. Zeus, I never seen the real Zeus. I just know someone killed his robot at the mall. I was like, holy shit. There's all this power at the Melbourne Mall if they walk around the Melbourne Mall and activate powers. Now send it to every hell, Shay. And you found major stuff. Dragon Oracle robot with clones, send more hells. Hell here, hell here. And that might defeat the system a little. Now control raise. They bring out the control in Greece. Control raise down. Fly by side down, control ray. Fly by side down over there, control ray. Fly by side down over there to Merritt Island, control ray. Underground tunnel to Merritt Island. We can make that a drivable tunnel. Like we can make that a underground drivable tunnel because they're so stupid. They did that for Shay when they could have had big money balls of a giant city going underground and driving everyone underground. They did that for Shay. They're so retarded. that they did that for Shay and not for a big city. So that's pretty much how you defeat the purpose of the Prometheus. Everything defeated, dragon? Everything defeated a little. How much do we have? Bullfrog? What's up, Bullfrog? Or go store this thing. You give warts, so you go. You go. Good thing that bullfrog didn't come in my house. Because the bullfrog comes in your house and you get a wart, that would suck. Ugh.